Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandey.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a Raja Rani accident scene.
Yes, so we have Arya and Nazriya Nazim in this movie.
In this particular
scene,
scene,
not in this movie, in this particular scene.
Yes.
And this is a very emotional accident scene.
Yeah,
Right?
This movie I think got released in 2013.
13. It is a very pretty old movie and it is a romantic, dramatic movie. Okay, so let's get started with this video and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं राजा रानी का इमोशनल सीन.
Yes. Mic drop. Remember anything? Okay.
ஏய் உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்
பியர்
செருப்பு ட்ரை பண்ணி போகணும்ல
வணக்கம், என் பேரு சாரதி. ஞாபகம் இருக்குங்களா?
மச்சான் என்னடா புது நம்பர்ல இருந்து கூப்பிடுற?
இதான் என் நம்பர்ல இருந்து கூப்பிட்டு எடுக்க மாட்டியா?
மச்சி நான் கீர்த்தனோட இருக்கேன், அப்புறம் பேசுறேன்.
டேய், இந்த வாயில ஆர்னச்சுன்னு வண்டி ஓட்டுறன்றது 5 நிமிஷம் கழிச்சு கூப்பிடணும், அஸ்க வயசுல பேசுறது இதெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சதே நான் தான். என்கிட்டயே நீ காட்டாத.
சாரதி நம்ப மாட்டேங்கிறான், நீ பேசு.
ஹலோ அண்ணா,
என்னம்மா எப்படிமா இருக்கிற?
நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
எங்கம்மா?
சும்மா ஈஸியா
என்ன திடீர்னு அவுட்டிங்க?
கல்யாணம் பண்ணி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம்ல எங்க போனோம் தெரியல, அதனால சும்மா
இன்னது கல்யாணம் ஆயிடுச்சா?
நேத்து கோவில்ல உங்ககிட்ட சொல்ல வேணாம்னு சொன்னாரு, நீங்க மறந்துட்டீங்க.
அவன்கிட்ட போன கொடு.
உங்ககிட்ட பேசணுமா? நான் என்ன வாங்கிட்டு வரணும் அதே கலப்பா.
अरे
சொல்லு மச்சான்.
டேய், மனுஷனா நீ?
டேய் அவ ஏதோ விளையாட்ட சொன்னா.
பேசாத நீ, வாய் மூடு.
பிரதர்
சரியான லூசுடா அவ.
Goodness. Oof.
God, man. It was so real.
Terrific.
Everything dragged and everything like.
Goodness.
Oh my God. She's dead.
She's dead.
Oh my God.
Still he is remembering that scene.
வருஷம் வந்து இங்கிட்டு நிக்கிறதுனால எந்த பிரயோஜனமும் இல்லடா. இதுக்கப்புறம் லைஃப் இருக்குடா. போடா.
போய் சொல்லு எனக்கு இந்த கல்யாணத்துல இஷ்டம்.
He is telling बहुत साल हो गया
நீ
अभी.
போய் சொல்லு.
मुझे बंद
உன் கல்யாணம் தானே? உனக்கு நடந்தது எல்லாத்தையும் உங்க அப்பா அம்மாட்ட சொல்லிட்டு நீ இப்படியே இருப்பா. புரியாதுல்ல? நீ வா. ஒண்ணு உன் சந்தோஷத்துக்கு வாழணும், இல்ல அவங்க சந்தோஷத்துக்கு வாழணும். உன் சந்தோஷம் அவங்க கையில இல்லையடா, அப்புறம் என்ன அவங்கள கஷ்டப்படுத்துற? சாடி. அப்புறம் லைஃப் இல்லைன்னா 25 வயசுக்கு அப்புறம் எவனுமே வாழ மாட்டான்டா. உனக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆனது உனக்கு எனக்கு மட்டும்தான்டா தெரியும். ப்ளீஸ்டா. வாழ்க்கையில் பாதி பேர் பிடிச்ச மாதிரி கல்யாணம் நடக்கிறது இல்லை, இருந்தாலும் வாழ்றது இல்லை. உனக்கு எப்போ அந்த லைஃப் பிடிக்குதோ அப்போ அந்த லைஃப்பை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
He's saying to start his life again.
It was so heavy.
Yeah.
And I'm still thinking, like I'm still in that mode, like it was happened
So
like
real.
so really, and झटके में एक सेकंड के अंदर एक्सीडेंट हो गया और
Actually, it happens in the real life.
it is a
also.
real
And
only, and the slow motion,
Slow
just to
motion
make
execution.
understand, like the execution is
Yeah.
like brilliant.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Let's give a clap for this execution actually.
Yeah. It was
Superb direction.
superbly done. Each and
Superbly
everything,
done.
small details
There
also
is
they
no
have maintained.
mistake. There is no mistake. Like it is
Yeah.
looking like we are seeing a very unfortunate accident in front of our eyes.
And
Correct,
during
the
that
makeup.
during that
That
time,
time,
it was a
2013.
pin drop silence.
Yeah.
While that accident
Very
happened.
matchable with that, बहुत दुख की बात है ना, इसलिए that is there is a pin drop silence, and that was very well done.
Yes.
Very well done by that girl. I think her name is Nazria Nazim.
Yes.
Her expression, like when she was dead
Right.
that time, superb.
And I think this movie again
Arya
directed
also.
by
Atli sir. So
he is super.
he's super talented.
Yes.
And the direction was like looking like that. Yeah,
Right.
it is a masterpiece and come from Atli sir's hand only.
Yes.
It was looking like that only.
Right.
Correct.
And so,
Superb.
So this scene, particularly this scene, it is too much emotional scene.
Very emotional.
I never expected that it is having that much emotion.
I also didn't expect that thing.
Yeah.
I thought, okay, accident means like some sort of accidents they
Yes.
will
Like
show.
in normal movies, we
movies kind
used to
of,
see.
Yeah. It
This
was
kind of
so
emotional scene
terrific,
during
huh?
accident and all we see very rarely.
very rarely this kind of
Yes.
scene, right? And like we can understand, like if this
Arya
happens in the real life,
Real life.
what will be happened, like
Right.
when a boyfriend, I think he is a boyfriend only, boyfriend is
Yes.
seeing that his girlfriend is like met this kind of accident and he can't do anything. He just what he did, he just
Right.
was standing and
Exactly.
seeing that
He
his
was
girlfriend
also
was
too
no
much
more.
shocked.
Like
At
what
a
to do,
sudden.
and all of the sudden,
Like,
like it was happened like
hap-
within 5 minutes.
Yes, not 5 minutes also.
उससे भी कम.
Less than that.
Less than that,
I think
yeah.
in two to 3 minutes. It was
Everything
a
finished.
happy moment for them, and all of a sudden this happens.
भगवान करे किसी के साथ ना
I think this is a great lesson for everybody. Is that
Everybody.
whoever is crossing the road during that particular time, you have to control your emotion and everything and
Yeah.
cross the road carefully.
carefully.
Yes.
Yes,
It's
it's very dangerous.
tough.
Very
Very
dangerous.
also,
Very
yeah.
dangerous. Yeah. So that scene was full on emotional, and
Yeah.
I'm feeling very heavy right
I'm
now.
feeling shocked right now also.
Yes,
The
now
scene.
also the scene
Yes.
was so powerful that we cannot think any other thing now also.
Yeah.
मेरे आंखों के सामने आ
Still,
रहा है.
It's coming goosebumps in my hand.
Seriously, that was
Yeah.
मतलब super duper यार, 1 crore out of 10.
Yes,
1
right.
crore out of 10
Seriously,
definitely.
it was executed superbly.
Yeah.
I think Atli sir is very good in
Very
executing emotional scenes.
Correct.
and all.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
We have already
behind
seen
this
some,
scene,
scenes.
music and all was superbly.
Superb.
That was filling our hearts.
Yeah.
Yes. So
We
that
saw
was,
that 4 years later the boy's
Yes.
condition was like that only, and that is very normal, very obvious, because he has seen his girlfriend like
in
passed
front of his
passed away
eyes
just
itself.
in front of his eyes, and he couldn't do anything, and that is very quite normal. But
And
yeah,
that will be very
he has to,
hard to recover.
I just want to see this movie Raja Rani.
Yeah.
We have done the accident scene. I just want to do more scenes from Raja Rani movie. What do you say?
Yeah, of course
Correct?
we have to do it.
We have gotten a lot of requests for Raja Rani, this accident scene.
Yes.
Okay, so now we can understand like why people have requested so many
Right.
times. It is full on scene.
Yes.
Epic.
Epic scene.
Okay, so yes, we enjoyed it like anything, and yeah, it was a 10 out of 10,
Yes,
of
of
course.
course.
Okay, and we are hoping that you will also like today's content. Now this is the time to do the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Kanna R, and he is commenting, you might know Farah Khan, the famous choreographer slash director. She choreographed a song for Tarapati in the movie Nanban, and the song name is Irukana Ilayana. Watch her talk about his dance, and also you could react to the song also. Yes,
And
definitely
we
we'll be
know
doing.
Farah Khan.
Yeah, we
And
know.
she is famous in Bollywood.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yes, she is a very great choreographer as well as director, and we also knew that Farah Khan has choreographed this movie Nanman.
Yes.
So definitely we will be like doing. So is there any video like watch her talk about his dance? You told like
Maybe,
that.
maybe.
I
We
think
can
she's
get
talking
it.
about Talapati Vijay Sir's dance, and that kind of video is there. Okay, definitely we'll be searching and doing the reaction for that. Okay, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Kanna Kanni, and he is writing mega star Chiranjeevi powerful entry Bruce Lee movie. Please react.
Okay, megastar Chiranjeevi,
yes.
right?
He's also a great actor.
great
and He
actor.
has done great movies.
Great
also.
movies,
I think
yeah.
during childhood days I have seen some of his movies in Hindi dubbed.
Yeah,
Yes, and he has done excellent in
Excellent
each
job.
and every movie.
Correct.
So yeah.
So yes,
of
we'll be
course.
doing that, right? Bruce Lee entry scene. Definitely we'll be doing, and thank you so much for this comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Vishal Thavre, and he is commenting R2H Part 3B Best Hair React Please, and he is commenting on Dumb Blind Dave Part 2, which was hilarious. Okay,
Hilarious.
so definitely we'll be
Definitely.
doing, and we are thinking like to drink some energy drink and all
Of course, I think we have to
sitting
do
for
that.
giving the reaction, because our condition was very pathetic, because our jaws, our every like face,
Not
everything
only
was like
jaws
hurting.
also, my stomach was paining.
It was hilarious, like the
Hilarious,
funniest video we have ever seen.
Yes.
Round to Hell, right? So yes, we are very much excited and very much looking forward to give the reaction for part 3,
Yes.
and definitely it will
I
be
think
coming
these
very
guys,
soon.
these guys from Dumb to Hell, not
Round to Hell.
These guys should direct some of the scenes in Bollywood or in
Yeah.
some movies also.
Correct.
Some comedy scenes.
That should be happened. Yeah, if, Round to Hell, if you are seeing our videos, definitely you should try in Bollywood or in some film industry,
or,
movies.
Or you can
Correct?
do some short films
Short
also.
films also, because your talent is like unparalleled.
Yes.
Okay, so that is why we are telling, and thank you so much Vishal Thavre for suggesting this and for commenting and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us.
Yes,
Keep
a
supporting our videos and keep watching our videos. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.